All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to show you real quick how we are going to get our video maker to take those images that we have for our project, and we are going to turn them into a little mini video. So here's how you're going to do this. You should have downloaded a total of 8 images for your project. You have 2 contacts, 2 passings, 2 ups, 2 downs. And what we're going to do is we are going to drag them individually in order by file name, because as you exported them each time, they basically just added like a 1, a 2, a 3 afterwards. So make sure you add the first one that doesn't have any numbers to it, and then just count up until it gets to the last number. In my case, my last file number here is contact and passing 2A. And then in parentheses 7, because it starts from 0 and then starts counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should have a total of 8 files. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so since I have 8 files, that means I'm good. Next, you're going to hit edit duration. I'm going to choose the second option, so image duration 0.2. 0.1 is just a little too fast. 0.1 looks really nice. I'm going to hit apply to all images, because why do this all 8 times yourself when the computer can do it for you all at one time? Now after this, I like hitting edit in Studio before I do anything else and give myself a little preview. So I'm going to hit the play button here, and I'm going to see how this looks. Looks like my guy's kind of got a little jump in his step a little bit, but still not that bad. So I maybe did a little too much in my up or my down. I should have probably done a little bit less, but no big deal. But it still kind of looks nice. It looks like he's enjoying his day while he walks up and down the block. So actually, this is pretty nice. After you're done this, what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the top right-hand corner. Notice I don't have, I won't have a Kapwing logo when I go to do my export, because if you don't see up here, I actually signed in. I use my school account. That is entirely up to you. Obviously, we prefer the images or the videos that don't have the little logo in the corner. So, I mean, use your discretion with that. So I'm going to hit export video here. Now, the nice little thing is, see this little down arrow? We actually have multiple options to export. We can export as an image. We don't want to do that. We just have images. We can do a GIF, or we can do an MP4. MP4 is what you're definitely going to submit, because that's how I get to see these. I can always hit repeat on my playing of this. However, I really would like, you have to have at least the MP4, but I really want, and I'm going to write in the directions, I want you to submit both the MP4 and the GIF. Here's why. If I go to put this on our class website, if I put in the MP4, it's going to play once and stop. If I put the GIF in there, it'll just keep repeating over and over and over again, which is actually really nice. So that's why I'm going to ask you to give me both of these so I don't have to convert them myself. They take only a couple seconds to do. So, well, a couple minutes, I should say. I'm going to start with the GIF here. So I'm going to actually click this, and I'm going to hit export GIF. So when I do that, it is going to do all this dialogue. Once it's done this dialogue, I'm going to pause the video from recording, and I'm going to pick up once it's on its next screen. This is just a background text that is the coding of how the program is working, essentially. We don't need to say it. So I'll see you on the other side. All right, so my GIF has now finished exporting. All you're going to do is in order to get this final copy, don't do any of this stuff down here. This is not what I want. I want you to actually download this. So you're going to hit the download button, okay? And then it's going to download this GIF on your computer. See how my guy looks like he's constantly walking in this, which is what we want, okay? Then what you can do is to get the other version of this. So that was our GIF. What you just do is you just hit the edit button, and then see how it switched to edit GIF. I'm just going to now switch to export MP4, and it'll automatically start downloading that. Once that's done, hit download, submit both the GIF and the MP4, and you are done this project. I hope you like the little walk cycle. We'll be doing more projects like this in the near future. Enjoy, have fun. Hopefully you enjoy it. Make sure you share out your projects that you're doing so people can see what you're doing, and other people can get in on the enjoyment. Enjoy.